Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video I will explain how to remove background from photos in Canva. So for this, let me tell you one thing. If you want to remove background from your picture, then you need a subscription to Canva Pro, and if you have a subscription to Canva Pro, then the process will be quite simple. But if you don't have, then still I have a way by using that you can remove your background from your picture, by using the Canva Pro feature for free. So let's move to our process. First of all, tap on this icon Create a Design, which is at the right top. From here, like I will show you a tutorial by removing the background. So I'm tapping on the icon YouTube thumbnail. So what do I have to do now? From here, tap on this icon Upload, and if you want to upload your picture, tap on the option Upload File, or you can simply do this by drag and drop. So like I already upload a picture from my computer to Canva. So now I will show you how can you remove background. So here is the picture. Let me arrange this one. Now from here, tap on this icon Edit Photo, and here is the option BG Remover. Simply tap on this one. So it start processing. It will take a while. As you see, the background has been removed successfully. Now the other way is if you don't have a subscription to Canva Pro, then what you have to do, when you will be here, then you can see the option of Start a Trial for next 30 days. Then you need to tap on that option. Then the Canva Pro subscription will be started in your account. So after that you can remove that background by just clicking on this BG Remover. So by using this way you can remove backgrounds from your picture in Canva. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.